Still spending lot of hours comparing the resumes to job description manually? You are not alone. Missing top candidates or misjudging the skills just because your process is not scalable? Here is the solution, that is nothing but the AI-powered ATS scanner. We can upload the multiple resumes, paste the job description, and get instant match scores with missing keywords all in seconds. Without further delay, now let us jump into the demo. What you are seeing, AI powered ATS scanner, where we try to upload the resume. The type will be the PDF and DOC. We can browse the files. Now I am moving over to the resume, so you can see 4 files I am selecting. If you have many, we can select it. Now scroll down, there is a job description we can paste. I am going on to the Naukri and I am selecting this one as a data scientist. It's not a mandatory, you can select whatever you want based on the condition. And after this one, you can say analyze match. Wait for 2 minutes, it will do the things for us. Now we can see the output ATS match results table. This is the resume name, match score out of 100, and whatever the keywords which is missing in the resume, it was pointing over here. So this is the one of the automation by using the AI LLM model. So if you interested such kind of applications, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye.